A George Washington University law professor who called last month for the disbarment of Baltimore State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby for her prosecution of 6 Baltimore police officers in the arrest and death of Freddie Gray has now taken aim at Mosby's 2 deputies who have argued the cases in court. John Banzhaf filed a complaint with the Maryland Attorney Grievance Commission against Mosby last month. Today, he filed similar complaints against Chief Deputy State's Attorney Michael Schatzow and Deputy State's Attorney Janice Bledsoe. Banzhaf argues that it is not an excuse for Schatzow or Bledsoe to say that they were just following Mosby's orders. He says that they also had an obligation to acknowledge that from his perspective, there was no probable cause to bring the charges against the officers. He filed his complaints following the acquittal of Lieutenant Brian Rice, one of the 6 officers charged, of all charges on Monday by Circuit Judge Barry G. Williams. Williams previously acquitted 2 other officers, Officer Edward Nero and Officer Caesar Goodson, of all charges in the case as well. There are 3 officers who are still facing charges in the case. It is Banzhaf's belief that there was no probable cause to bring the charges to begin with, and that after each of the acquittals by Judge Williams, that the prosecutors, including Schatzow and Bledsoe, should have reassessed whether they should proceed with the charges against the remaining officers. You can read more at baltimoresun.com.